And we're here again with another CBD Radar review. Yeah, CBD Radar. So yeah, here we've got Bud and Tender cannabinoid, CBD 500 milligrams, CBD Cannabis Oil product. This is what we got. So I'm just going to talk about this product, and yeah, I can't really talk from my own experience. Yeah, I have tried it. I tried it for 2 days, but then I passed it on to my dad. He was itching to try some CBD products. He's been so used to the boring Holland & Barrett products, and he wanted to try something different. So I was like, right, Dad, you can take it. He went off to Spain on his holiday. Report back to me, tell me exactly what your experience was. And he did. His experience, what was his experience like? So my dad, he has a problem with gout. He gets this thing in the ankle where it starts hurting and he gets inflammation in that ankle. And normally he has to take other medication to kind of ease that. However, he didn't. He didn't have to take it. He was taking this product, and this actually, he felt his gout coming, and he was taking this throughout his holiday, and he felt this niggling from his ankle. However, he was taking that, and yeah, this is a 5% 500 milligram bottle, and yeah, you can get stronger dosages, but however, it was great for holding it off. He didn't actually have to take any other medication to help his gout. So this actually helped the swelling and inflammation. So it helps with ailments. So that was great to hear that he had a positive experience with the product. So let's talk a bit about the bottle. So the bottle here, it's got this, it's got a child lock on it. So it's good if you have kids around and you just want to leave your CBD on the side. They'll have no clue to get into it. Even I struggle to get into it. But yeah, you can put it off like so. Unfortunately, I can't really show you. I've got this tiny little drop left, and it was a very clear colour. Oh, here we go. Lovely. It was a very clear colour, but it's all kind of gone. I'm going to try and pour some on my hand so we can kind of, or if I can. This is the problem with some of these bottles, is the fact the last little drop, you just never can get them out. However, I'll just pour it onto my hand, and I'll show you to the camera. It's very clear. It's a very clear colour, and I'm just going to have a little taste of it. And yeah, it's got like a sweet. It's got like a sweet, flowery kind of taste to it, but you still got the hemp richness, and I really like that flavour. So as one of the tasting products, this is probably one of the best tasting products around. Like, that's really nice. I mean, start drinking the bottle. No, I don't recommend that. So yeah, let's just read a bit of the instructions on the box. So it says start with 12 to 16 drops under your tongue, hold them for 90 seconds, then swallow. So yeah, so 12 to 16 drops is probably about half a dropper. Approximately 300 drops per bottle, 1.65 milligrams per drop. Do not exceed more than 200 milligrams of CBD per day, so 120 drops. So you can have a lot of this. That's what they recommend. Really, to get to a toxic level, you have to have 20,000 milligrams of CBD. That is in one of my other videos if you want to go and watch it. And yeah, so ingredients. So in the ingredients, we got organic MCT oil, and then we got cannabis sativa L extract, cannabinoids, terpenes, and flavonoids. So that's what the sweetness was from. It's from the terpenes and flavonoids. So it's good to kind of have terpenes in a product. If you don't know what terpenes are, it's what it kind of dictates the taste, aroma, and smell of the cannabis or hemp plant. And with that kind of added into this product, you kind of get a nice flavour to it. So as flavour goes, this is very tasty. So the price, what we're going to talk about, so it's £45 for the bottle. So it's bits on the steeper range of products which you can get. However, my dad, from his personal experience, his gout, yeah, it didn't really affect him. He felt niggling at a point, but he was taking this each day, and it held it off. It held off his gout, which can be pretty horrible, and he can't walk and he's hobbling around, and he looks a bit ridiculous. However, yeah, you didn't have to take his medication for that. So yeah, for helping ailments and anti-inflammatory, I guess this did help him. So it's one to try for yourself. And yeah, £45. Yeah, it's on a bit of the price range, but you are getting a quality product. It's got a lovely taste and flavour, good quality, and they're traceable. That's one of the great things about the product. It's traceable. You can go on the website, first page, scroll down, test results. So with that in mind, that's great. If you have kids, yeah, it's got this child lock thing, and yeah, it's good to kind of stop them getting into it. And yeah, so I kind of recommend this if you have kids. They've had some good press, and yeah, overall, I'm going to give them 4.5 stars. 4.5 stars, just because I just think that £45 price is a bit expensive, because it's only going to last you kind of 2 weeks, and yeah, 2 weeks, £45. It's going to add up, but it does work. It's a lovely flavour, and yeah, nice colour, and yeah, I highly recommend it. Bud and tender, and yeah, I'm going to give you a discount code here. Boom, CBD Radar, and yeah, get 10% off. Highly recommend it.